Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest ways in which you can use ChatGPT on your mobile. Now whether you're on iPhone, Android, it doesn't matter what device you're actually on, you will be able to use it on whatever mobile device you have. So make sure you watch to the end so you fully understand how you can use ChatGPT on your mobile device. So let's get into it. And there's actually two ways of going about this. So the first way is on the web browser. So as you can see, I've just gone to OpenAI's website and I've loaded up ChatGPT on my phone. So I can just use this how like we normally do. So if I wanted to just click this, explain quantum computing in simple terms, we can search it, and just like that, it'll be able to answer our question. Just like it can on PC, it will work just the same on mobile. However, you might realise that the UI is not the best on here. So the next best thing after that is actually the ChatGPT app. So because I'm on iPhone, I'm on the iPhone App Store. However, I'm pretty sure it's on Android App Store also, so this should work no matter what device you're on. So to download this, you simply just click get and download. And then once you've downloaded it, as you can see from the photos, it's literally just ChatGPT. However, this time, instead of in a web browser, it's in an app. So it just makes the whole UI look a bit better. And it'll probably work a little bit faster too, since it's inside an app. So I hope you found this video helpful and hope you successfully managed to use ChatGPT on your mobile device. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.